good evening. I am here again. I'm doing cooking again. I am not a chef. I am just a mother. We don't know how to cook, but then my mother-in-law inspired me to cook for my family, for my husband. And just because if I don't know how to cook, how can I feed my husband and my future children? That was my mother-in-law's word. So now, even though I don't know how, I'm trying my best to show off to my mother-in-law. Anyway, I am cooking tonight and I don't know what kind of this again. I have no idea, but I saw one day that my mother-in-law cooked this with chicken with anything vegetables in it, and I asked her what kind of recipe is this. Said no recipe. All right, so it was very interesting, so I said okay, good. But anyway, all right, I am going to cook and let's start cooking. All right, here I have chicken leg, no, chicken thigh, and I have vegetables, which is zucchini and carrots, green beans, and okra, and I have ginger and garlic, butter, and tomato sauce, of course, and salt and pepper. Alright, let's start cooking. I have my pan here that's already warm. I'm gonna put some butter in it. Ooh, I think it's too hot. And then I am going to put my garlic and my ginger. This is very easy, I think. Very easy. I'm putting my chicken in that butter. So, you guys comment down below what kind of recipe is this, because I have no idea. I am just cooking it. Just cooking it. Okay, you have to cook it until it's tender. I can smell the ginger already, and I put more ginger powder just because ginger powder is good for this. And then I will put some garlic salt, just a little bit, and black pepper. Just going to brown this first, and then I will put my vegetables after it will be brown. Let's cover this up and we'll see you. Okay, let's check it out. Ooh, I can smell that ginger, guys. So maybe I should call this ginger chicken with vegetable. because it's it really smells ginger because I put ginger powder and a fresh ginger. So all I can smell is ginger. So I just called it ginger chicken with butter and vegetable. This is silly. Alright, they're not ready, guys. Well, wait. After 10 minutes, oh, there's water coming out from the chicken. I still smell the ginger. So, I am going to start putting my carrots because my carrots is big piece. Big piece. Alright. Alright, and now I am putting my tomato. So it's a ginger chicken with vegetable and tomato sauce. Ooh. Let's just do that first. My sauce, no water, guys, no water. Okay, leave it until it's cooked. And this thing here, this little guy here, okra, it doesn't take that long, and I like it crunchy. So I'm gonna wait for that. Because this is easy to cook. And the zucchini. Alright guys, let's check it out. Yep, it's looking good. I have to chop this vegetable and the chicken. Let's put our okra. Oh. You guys will really tell me how do I call this? How do I call this? Food. This meal. Chicken with a lot of chicken and tomato sauce with ginger and vegetable. Alright, no recipe. There you go. Or just, we called it ginger chicken with vegetable and in tomato sauce. Ayan. Let's cook a little longer. Alright, and let's put more tomato sauce. Okay, that's our liquid. Guys, that's our liquid. We don't put any water or anything. cookie. And easy busy. Here's the finished product. So it's delicious, delicious, delicious. So I'm gonna end this vlog, and thank you guys for watching. So I know what you call this. Chicken and tomato sauce, they call it Cacciatore in Korean style. Spicy chicken and tomato sauce. Cacciatore Korean style. Thank you for watching. Bye.